all awardees, palakpakan niyo naman yung mga sagot. And I like to appreciate all, just like to encourage you. On top 30, kung ano man numbers nyo, it's just a number. What's more important, all of us were contributing to the significance of the community. And I just like to appreciate si Ma'am Virginia. Without si Ma'am Virginia, I don't think I will be at Lincoln. So, yun nga, alam naman natin, she's still in recovery stage. So, yun nga, laki ng utang na loob natin kay Virginia for really having this. And in line with that, if I just want to extend my support to the community, if any one of you needs help in terms of brand, you want to grow your brand, you want to grow your numbers, you want to grow your social media, reach out to me at LinkedIn. So I will be glad to share my personal journey, not only in LinkedIn but on other platforms to help you out. Yun lang po.
Thank you.